Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin, and today we're going to try and see if the Casio Combi Bracelet will fit on the Casioak GA-2100. This is the 5600, which I need to put back out in the sunlight. So that's one negative of solar watches, is you basically always need to keep them in the sunlight. Otherwise they just seem to die on me. So this is the GW-5600. This is the Gen 2 Combi Bracelet. My Gen 1 Combi Bracelet is still broken. I never did fix the pin on that. So anyway, it's a story for another day. So I don't think I have the scar on my wrist anymore. Actually, I kind of still do have a... Is it this wrist or that wrist? I think I was wearing it on this wrist. I tripped and fell and like caught the watch on a couch or something, and it dug into my skin. I think I was wearing it on this wrist right there. Anyway, let's get this off of here. It's quick release pins, but it's still easier to get the spring bar tool in there. Sorry, gray and black. I might look okay. I think I have a black one of these somewhere. I have a couple different ones. I just haven't gotten around to them yet. Bought way too many watches. I have bought way too many watches over the past 2-3 years here. I may have to pause the video and get my visors, my zoom magnifiers on. Magnifying visors, whatever you want to call it. Really can't see what I'm doing here. So let me pause the video and I'll take this off of here. Alright, so I'm going to try to show this part on video here. It's just a little bit farther away from my face than I would like to work with these magnifying lenses, but let's try it out. Still can't really see what I'm doing here, but let's try. Yeah, sorry, that was the visors hitting the camera. Did it really just go in there? Okay, alright. Let's try that on the other side then. This one's not going to be as easy. Maybe it will. Alright, let's see if that made it in there. Let me pause the video and I'll take a look at this more closely with my magnifying visors here, but it looks a little loose, so let me check it out. Alright, well there you have it. It is on here, it's just a little bit loose. I don't remember it being like that on the G-Shock, so I'll show it to you on wrist here and then I'll put it back on the G-Shock and see if it is that loose. But I mean, it's on there. I'm pulling on it. It's not coming off, and the spring bars are fully seated. If you can see that or not. Let's try and get this thing to focus. Right there. You can see the spring bar is fully seated on there. So let's zoom out and get this on wrist. So yeah, it works. So let me know what you think of that combination. It feels super comfortable on wrist, that's for sure. I am a big fan of the Combi Bracelet, and I'm wearing this on wrist right now. I kind of want to put it back on. I don't know. We'll see. I'll put it back on here. Well, I'm going to put it back on here for sure, just to show you how it fits here. But yeah, it looks like it works just fine on the Casioak. Let me know what you think of that combination there. And I'll pause the video and put this back on the square and see if it flops around that much. I don't think it did. I really don't. I should have checked that beforehand, but this one seems a little more loose too. Yeah, a little bit more loose. So, okay, let's put it back on the G-Shock square. Alright, so we have the Casioak back together. This feels to be a little bit wobbly as well, but maybe a little tighter than the Combi bracelet was on here. And then here is the Combi bracelet back on this watch, which, yes, I needed to put back out into the sunlight. And yes, I'm holding it upside down. There we go. But you can see it is a much tighter fit. It actually took me quite a bit longer to get this back on this watch, so that's a good indication that it's a tighter fit as well. But you can see it does move a little bit, but it's not super loose like it was on the Casioak. Sorry, just checking to see if I got it back in there all the way. It took quite a bit of prodding and poking and prodding to get the spring bars back in there. But there you go. I guess I'll throw this one on wrist too, even though it's dead. It needs to be charged. Oh man, this is such a great fit. I really do prefer the squares over the Casioak. Very comfortable on wrist. So, in conclusion, yes, the Combi bracelet will fit on the Casioak, but as you just saw a few moments ago, it is a little bit of a loose fit, but it wears just fine. So as long as you're okay with a little bit of wobbling on the end links, then I'd say source a Combi bracelet and go for it. If you're not subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button. I greatly appreciate it. And as always, thank you for your time, and thank you for watching.